Today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in Samsung Galaxy F54. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts at the start always check your DND mode. So we have to open the top menu, expand the icons, and now just look for the DND Disturb mode. Now make sure that you have this feature deactivated, like here. Sometimes you can enable it by the misclick and just forget about that, so just check it. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and choose small eye icon. Now we are in the app info, we can go to notifications. Of course, check that you have this feature activated, like here, and also turn on all of the notification types. In the next step, go to the in-app notifications, then check that you have activated high priority notifications here and here. You should have it defaultly. In the next step, go to the mobile data, turn on the background data usage and data saver. In the next step, try to clear the WhatsApp app, so we have to open the storage. Remember to make the backup of your messages before that and choose clear data. Tap on the delete. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp app and check your notifications. If you still don't have it, try to update your system, so go to the software update and choose download and install. If you have any updates, just install it and check for your alerts from the WhatsApp app again. And last step, try to reset your network settings, so go to the general management, select the reset and choose mobile network settings and the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.